I count blessings, not my L's. I stay focused, I don't dwell. I see time is all my wealth. All these angels watch my health. I stay bout it, I'm not pouting. Break through walls and climbing mountains. If you want it, scream it louder. Show this world what they've been doubting. Never waiting on the world to catch up to me.
Yeah. Whenever you rap, it's embarrassing. I blow through the shit like a terrorist. I'm puffing and drinks on the terraces. Tonight I'll be up in the air again. And I don't like making appearances. She loving the fact I'm American. They tell me that I need a therapist. And lately I've been acting arrogant. Whenever you rap, it's embarrassing. I blow through the shit like a terrorist. I'm puffing and drinks on the terraces. Tonight I'll be up in the air again. And I don't like making appearances. She loving the fact I'm American. They tell me that I need a therapist. And lately I've been acting arrogant.
I've been in the cut doing it my way. Pushing, flipping triple digits on the highway. And we could probably take it back to my place. And I'll show you what it's like to live with my name.
Yeah. They try to tell me that I never listen. Always been the type to make my own decisions. Never been the type to live in fear. Now I'm making money from my intuition. Like damn, better know when I'm in. I've been coming through hot, finna know when I land. I've been getting more known from the old to Japan. Now I'm making these songs, got them all in my hands. Like you can find me at a crossroad, probably hitting demons up with my soul. I've been moving fast, if we talking cash, put that on the table pronto. I'm only saying what I gotta mention. If you want it, you should pay attention. I told my family I'ma make a living. Now they getting closer when I speak the vision. Like, whenever you rap, it's embarrassing. I blow through the shit like a terrorist. I'm puffing and drinks on the terraces. Tonight I'll be up in the air again. And I don't like making appearances. She loving the fact I'm American. They tell me that I need a therapist. And lately I've been acting arrogant. Whenever you rap, it's embarrassing. I blow through the shit like a terrorist. I'm puffing and drinks on the terraces. Tonight I'll be up in the air again. And I don't like making appearances. She loving the fact I'm American. They tell me that I need a therapist. And lately I've been acting arrogant.
I've been in the cut doing it my way. Pushing, flipping triple digits on the highway. And we could probably take it back to my place. And I'll show you what it's like to live with my name.
Let's go. Lyrics are open, what's all in my head. I told them around like it's cribs, yeah. This ain't a hobby, addiction is real. I'm doing this just for a fix. Calling from the 603 in the stick. All black hoodie and some brand new kicks. Shoot y'all shot, then half y'all miss. Got my crosshairs locked to the spark like a big light. I ain't never gonna give them some slack. You down with the lies, forgetting the facts. I could just tell you I'm getting these stacks, but truthfully, I gotta give it the tax. Lame, I've been just working my ass to the pain. Feeling like I've been afraid of the fame. I don't know why, guess I'm just going a little insane, yeah.
Whenever you rap, it's embarrassing. I blow through the shit like a terrorist. I'm puffing and drinks on the terraces. Tonight I'll be up in the air again. And I don't like making appearances. She loving the fact I'm American. They tell me that I need a therapist. And lately I've been acting arrogant. Whenever you rap, it's embarrassing. I blow through the shit like a terrorist. I'm puffing and drinks on the terraces. Tonight I'll be up in the air again. And I don't like making appearances. She loving the fact I'm American. They tell me that I need a therapist. And lately I've been acting arrogant.
D-Mark got that heat on.
I know they hate me. I know they hate me. Cops trying to catch me. If I need help, nobody gon' save me. Never only person I'm talking to lately. Rocking these chains with a thought it was slavery. I'm going crazy. I hop in the water cause you know I'm wavy. I need a hero, can somebody save me? Got 99 problems, don't know I ain't Jay-Z, yeah. I know they hate me. Cops trying to catch me. If I need help, nobody gon' save me. Never only person I'm talking to lately. Rocking these chains with a thought it was slavery. I'm going crazy. I hop in the water cause you know I'm wavy. I need a hero, can somebody save me? Got 99 problems, don't know I ain't Jay-Z, yeah. Nothing gon' phase me. My eyes switch up like I've been getting lazy. Both them bullets, they calling him Brady. Don't hop in my water, a nigga too wavy. Somebody save me. Jump in my girl, but I need me a lady. She ain't my kid, but she definitely my baby. Gave you my trust, should've known you betrayed me. I'm number one, just like Tracy McGrady. Life is so shocking, like somebody tased. I've been losing my mind, I think I'm going crazy. 99 pounds, but no, I ain't Jay-Z. Just put myself though, why you tryna blame me? Think about the chances and blessings God gave me. Balance my loss, but I'm feeling real shaky. Buying my swag, I think you gave me rain. Never only person I'm talking to lately. Give it too much, you might slip. I had the 38 cover, it was my trip, yeah. Don't know he gon' rip, yeah. Spend some bands so gold and put diamonds in the neck, shine like a bitch, yeah. All true, fall for you. Keep it 100, it is what it is. The whole world so cold. Remember the shots and act like that they miss, yeah. I'm